we got Miss Julie Society on the ZX10 here. That's an all-carbon ZX10, fully built. And she's riding for the first time. I know she's nervous right now. And she's not even recording. And then that's her ZX10 right there. So yeah, you know she's nervous right now. Come on. You ain't got a full go, just...
I don't know about no...
Hey, whatever gear you feel comfortable in, just roll into it. Don't full throttle, but just... I just want to get you on camera. But you ain't gotta like just...
Yeah, just before up here, before the bridge, just let off. That way you don't bump the bridge.
Well, I'll wave it down.
Okay.
You ready? I just want her to feel comfortable going fast, so that's not a slow bike at all. Oh man. She's freaking out. I can't imagine what that bike felt like. Watching her experience that is just fucking funny. So let's hear how it felt.
That bike took a 1,000 and was like, that's not fast enough. Like,
Yeah.
what is wrong with you guys? Like, that is not okay. Oh my god.
Yeah, what you think? What's your?
Oh my god.
Like,
The one the riding is like stiff as shit. What the hell is
Is
that?
it really?
Yeah, like I mean it's bouncy, but not like a cushion bouncy, like a jugged.
You don't want up me. I ain't rode it.
haven't rode it?
You're telling me all about it.
Really?
It's cool. That's why I want to know. What
Oh
you think?
my god. Yeah.
That's why I was like, go ahead, let's see what you can do.
That's why I just was like, enjoy it.
Definitely not ready.
Cause that's faster than the Ducati that you tried out.
I was definitely not using it to its potential. Everybody was so like, be careful. Like after you told me be careful like 3 times, put me on the other one of them. Be careful, be careful. I'm like, I got you. Like,
Yeah, because this is probably the fastest bike out here.
Yeah, it is. Well, besides Blake, but yeah.
I'm calling the police.
Yeah, I just wanted to see that before I went home. All right.
Oh, you out?
Yeah. I got it on camera too, so